was the Muslim cleric that was insulting Dr. Bawumia, accusing him of being gay.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba ediba Ghana and TV so. But one more this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano the meeting the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Was the Muslim cleric that was insulting Dr. Bawumia, accusing him of being gay, accusing him of eating pigs, accusing him of all sorts of things for 3 years. No Muslim in MPP stood up against that man. So he went to say the same thing about me. I said, I'm not going to speak. I'm going to take him to court. Now, the people who are begging for the man, if I tell you where they are coming from, you'll be shocked. Just last week, it was published. The same people are taking the man to go and sit near Dr. Bawumia. And Dr. Bawumia is asking why he done all what he did. Fantastic. That is leadership. The fact that somebody says something bad about you doesn't mean when you meet the person, you insult the person. No, that is not leadership. That is actually called fake leadership. And I'll never indulge in that. If you go and trace what I say, in your MPP, I might forgive you. But if you're another political party, I'll take you straight to court. If more MPP people are taking people and saying horrible things about them to court, they would have stopped. Do you know what happened to the Muslim cleric on the most holy Islam day of the Eid? The embarrassment he suffered. All the senior clerics said, go away. You come here and you come and insult people on a political platform. Who has been more disgraced? The things that he said that you are worried about, or the disgrace that he has suffered on the holiday. So we have to understand that people who want to twist and say things would always do it, especially now with social media. Before you go here, somebody has said everything. But I tell you, if you say things about me and it's not true, I'll take you to where you don't want to go. No matter the begging, I'll take you. Go and beg. Mugabe is begging. Cleric is begging. Sami is begging. But still, I'll take my money and give it to charity.
A video ni mami. The more video trendy, nyanko poma wa brabo trendy the same thing. According to Abeku Santana, or say President John Dramani Mahama ba obe creative TV station. Ediamasa creative act for no. Such a way a wo streaming in yum, wo shining yum, and a wo show movie. Ube chiaka and sana washe. And intimi bisase President John Dramani Mahama ba ye. TV station be ne web be Ediama creative act for no. And at the same time, President John Dramani Mahama ba ye. Abeku Santana wa himfa. Me ye very, very stupid enough. Me go say, me ye very, very stupid enough. Say me mrekoto aba. Edema NDC government. Edema President John Dramani Mahama. Na President John Dramani Mahama so. Okwa appointee Abeku Santana so omra me CEO of Tourism and Affairs. Me ye very, very stupid enough. Say me to abano edema President Dramani Mahama. Obi atenase created the word digitalization. Sa the word digitalization no ubenya mobile banking wom, ubenya prepaid app wom, ubenya Ghana card wom no. Wo say ayendada. Digitalization ni yendada. Obi atenase o edi digitalization aba. Ma sa ade na ode ba na ba bebo man Ghana. Ubenya mobile banking wom. Ubenya prepaid meter wom. Wo say yentoro. Wo de ani na yendintum. Inti sisa President Dr.Bawumia Mahama ba power. TV station na wo say President Dr.Bawumia Mahama obe create dia ma sa creative act for no. Sa TV station na wo hemfa. Ye GBC TV station kura ye hu ano. Ye GBC a whole of national television. Ukofododo se na ehwe a whole of national television. Ukobrotia one biggest TV right a BBC and other channel other TV stations so all over Ghana ha your biggest government TV station GBC could I cause GBC could I cause GBC cause etiminya kukuduro ebe jina Ghana fuo nim kachire Ghana fuo se sa digitalization ni yandada etiminya kukuduro be jina Ghana fuo nim se President Dr.Bawumia Mahama be ye Ghana mampahini a wo be create TV star channel e dia ma creative act for wo a wo tonyom wo a wo ye movie such a way you obi obehwe wo movie ana so obehwe wo nyom no sa obechiaka na sa right na akosa nimpa kono sisi President Dr.Bawumia Mahama na wo power edie na wa ya fa ho asem na wo ankata be kutanta na wo ba bontin 2024 wo be kan ye no sisi 2026 mo ya ban na wo power edie na wo ya de ama creative act for edie sisi ben e na wo go TV station ne way TV station I was say President Dr.Bawumia be create na ya hwe ayi Ghanaian movie wo ho ya hwe Black Sheriff nyom ya hwe Sakode nyom ya hwe Satawale nyom na ya tua kan sa TV station na wo ka ho atam na we sa TV station ne we sanka ya de a wo ba ye campaign na wo kasa bebre na wo wabamba power na wuntimi nye ena Ghana youth
so ena da no se mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we chese yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e de na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meye ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders a ke bi aka the new patriotic party the leaders of the party ke bi aka borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the person is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya Ese kesika no kwanka ye de wasa Butuu mi say oh I mean say wo say people for akonfo. Na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice disika to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. Akonfo ti ma facilitate me say o be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. Ise enye Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na ten afi de mo kekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Chief Imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Market women no nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, they will know the way forward. Ah, yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open nkete. Nanze bibini na kasa de sebi ye bibia yen nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest square yen nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same crying. Obi ma credit scoring system also open nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open nkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me se bi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma se o mema was come to Butuu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E de Rajon Dramani ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Say the ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about Council of State member All3ged. Na me say film hey Remona Chapa ya hype say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe the letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1. Which is never true.
Onye
juma order. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a Nam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say oh, the bois.
Or sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Nam 1 and quack baby aquadan and then Nam 1. Yes. Not just say what's in Ukraine during say a state institution. We are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Yaka, bro.
Problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa ye
problem ni nyina ne say papa or Council of State member or company to good a year before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we me supply good no over 75%. Omo koso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take omo statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defender afi the was by I say any mokra mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa. Me Martin Yamaba and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
No, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institution, sir. Oh, on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for for my